So you're going to complete the buccal cusp reduction. And you do that by starting the burr in the groove, and then as you come and start to connect the grooves, you don't want to come straight across, right? If you come straight across, if you took your burr and you just went zip, what's going to happen to that cusp tip? It's going to be over or under reduced? Probably over reduced. You've taken off more tooth structure than you needed. Remember, the original contour kind of comes up and then down. So as you reduce, when you start here, you want to go in a little bit of an upward direction. And as you come down, you want to come, or if you're starting here and you connect it, you want to go up. If you're starting from here, you want to bring that down. Okay? So the idea is that whatever the contour of that cusp tip looked like prior to prepping, as you reduce it, it should follow that same contour. So you see almost this V shape here. Okay? I don't want to see any flat cusp tips coming straight across. All right? Clear on that? And we're going to do the same thing on the lingual, okay? Using the same coarse diamond burr. Now we're going to get into this idea of the functional cusp bevel, okay? So you can also put depth grooves here, like you see, and then you're going to connect those depth grooves on the functional cusp. So for tooth number 30, it's going to be on our buccal. Pay attention to what arch you're working on, because when we jump to the top, guess where your functional cusp is on tooth number 14? The buccal or the lingual? The lingual, okay? So I don't want to see any functional cusp bevels on your buccal surfaces of tooth number 14. So here's your functional cusp bevel. It's going to be at a 45-degree angle. So here's a good diagram of sort of what we're trying to get at. So you see this angulation here? This should mimic the angle of the opposing cusp tip here. So this line more or less follows this line here. So if you've done everything correctly and you come at an angle, if the junction between your functional cusp bevel and then your original